In March 2020, Chinese President Xi Jinping visited Hubei, the Chinese province hit hardest by COVID-19, for an inspection of the epidemic prevention and control work. Xi said the frontline medical workers have taken on the most arduous missions, calling them the most admirable people in the new era, who deserve the highest commendations. Beijing Ditan Hospital was the main battlefield against a new wave of COVID-19 infections in June in Beijing. More than 330 COVID-19 patients were treated here. Over 100 medical workers from different hospitals of Beijing came to assist.
我是6月18号接到命令来到地坛医院，当然就是主要的工作是去负责地坛医院收治的重症的病人。在大家的不懈努力下呢，全院的这次疫情收治的患者呢，都已经成功的出院。
This was the second time that Jiang had fought COVID-19 on the front line. When the virus hit Hubei, Jiang got on a night train on Chinese New Year's Day and arrived at Wuhan, capital of Hubei, the next morning.
我记得当时到金银潭那天早晨下着雨，特别冷。当天呢就进了金银潭的这个是由一个普通病房改造的 ICU 病房，当时所有的监护都在闪着这个红色报警。我们的人力严重的不足，我们的一些治疗的这些药品设备都处于这个就是不能够每天保证。大家就是这么咬着牙，就是拼着自己的心底里的那点信念，把非常难的一件事情给完成下来了。
江教授这人呢，他就是亲力亲为，然后每天早上、下午都要查房，进去了做一些指导，插管呐、气管切开呀，还有一些连接的一些仪器啊。
As the COVID-19 epidemic waned in the hard-hit province, medical teams started to leave. But Jiang stayed until the number of hospitalized COVID-19 cases in Wuhan fell to 0 on April 26.
03年的非典的时候，我也参与了。这次呢，2020年重新又经历了新冠这样的一些疫情，不论条件多么的艰苦，想办法用自己的能力、自己的专业知识去挽救每一个重症传染病患者。
On August 19th, 2018, China celebrated its first Medical Workers' Day and the 11th Chinese Physician Prize at the Great Hall of the People in Beijing. The Chinese Physician Prize is the highest honor for medical professionals in China. Over 900 outstanding medical workers have received the award. Zhang Hou from Wuhan is one of them. Since Wuhan was gripped by the epidemic earlier this year, 82-year-old Zhang Hou had worked on the front line, making the rounds of the wards and participating in group consultations and discussions. However, he was infected with the novel coronavirus in late January and had to be hospitalized for treatment.
被人达到了呼吸衰竭，就是哪怕吃还是饭很痛苦。
Medical workers went all out to save the expert's life. His condition gradually improved.
随着我们的治疗，他情况好转以后，他马上就把他的一些这段时间的一些这个感受，还包括我们经过哪些治疗调整，他都如实记录下来。
In late April, Zhang was tested negative for the virus. In July, he returned to the post he had longed for.
在当医生的过程当中，所走就认识到，一个医生你的职责就是要好好的为病人服务。
其实，自从我们踏上医学这个行业，就可能会面临着职业暴露和职业感染的风险，这是我们的职责所在。
只要还有一个病患，我们就会守护在他的身边。
白衣执甲，无惧困难。
只要国家有需要，我们随时都会冲上去。
你们在我心目中都是最可爱的人。
医务人员是战胜疫情的中坚力量，是全民健康的守护者。习近平总书记的亲切关怀和殷殷嘱托，是对广大医务工作者救死扶伤、大爱无疆情怀的充分肯定，也激励着大家进一步修医德、行仁术，为建设健康中国谱写新篇章。